Okay, in conclusion, I waited the 10 minutes, actually 11 minutes, turned off the ignition for like 5 seconds, tried to start the vehicle, and as you can hear and see the tachometer, it started. Chevy engineering piece of crap pissed me off. Thank you for watching.